Select the ellipse tool and make a circle. Make the stroke transparent. Create a radial gradient for the fill. I used 3 shades of red for this gradient. Go to Edit. Copy. Go to Edit. Paste in front. Press Alt plus Shift and make this circle smaller. Use the selection tool to select both circles. Go to Object. Blend. Blend options. Select specified steps. I use an amount of 15. Go to Object. Blend. Make. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Tweak. Adjust the horizontal and vertical amount until you're happy with the effect. And that's how you create this flower.